A reliable workspace can make all the difference for DIYers and professionals alike. The best Workmate bench offers portability, stability, and versatility, perfect for clamping, sawing, and supporting projects in garages, workshops, or on the go. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Worx Pegasus Workmate Bench. The Worx Pegasus Workmate Bench is a cleverly engineered portable workspace designed for both serious DIYers and casual home users. Its standout feature is its 2-in-1 design, allowing it to seamlessly convert between a standard workbench and a sawhorse. This flexibility makes it suitable for countless tasks, from sawing lumber to supporting power tools or even serving as a gardening station. Despite its durability, it weighs only 30 pounds and folds down flat, making it easy to carry under one arm or store in tight spaces. The surface area, measuring 31 inches by 25 inches with a 32-inch working height, provides ample room for various applications, such as sanding, staining, painting, or minor repairs. Integrated clamp slots and included quick clamps help keep workpieces stable during cutting or assembly. For those who need even more space, the Pegasus can be expanded by connecting additional Worx tables, like the sidekick or clamping sawhorse, each with the same height and compatible connectors. This modular approach adds scalability without sacrificing stability or portability. Number 2. Keter Workmate Bench. The Keter Workmate Bench is a quick-deploying, heavy-duty work table designed for efficiency, durability, and convenience. What sets this bench apart is its tool-free 30-second setup, which allows you to create an instant workspace wherever you need it. No tools, no hassle. Whether you're tackling DIY home improvements, woodworking, or job site tasks, the Keter bench is ready to handle it. This bench includes two 12-inch clamps that can be mounted both horizontally and vertically, helping to secure your materials firmly in place. This flexibility is ideal for cutting, gluing, and assembling projects of all kinds. Its large tabletop and tough build allow for both precision and heavy-duty work without feeling bulky or overbuilt. Once finished, the table folds flat for easy storage in a shed, closet, or vehicle. Durability is another strong suit. The Keter Workmate bench is built from weather-resistant polypropylene and rugged resin with aluminum legs that won't rust, dent, or corrode. This makes it perfect for indoor or outdoor use, even in tough environments. Whether it's exposed to sawdust or rain, it maintains its form and function, offering long-lasting reliability. Number 3. Pony Workmate Bench. The Pony Workmate bench offers a practical combination of strength, flexibility, and convenience, making it a versatile choice for anyone needing a portable work surface. It features a 2-in-1 design that functions as both a work table and a sawhorse, giving users the ability to adapt the setup for various tasks. As a workbench, it supports up to 500 pounds, while the sawhorse mode can handle an impressive 1,000 pounds. One of the most notable features is its adjustable height capability. The Pony Workbench can be set to 6 different heights, ranging from 30 inches to 35 inches, allowing users to customize it for the task at hand, be it on the garage floor, in the backyard, or at a job site. This height adjustability is especially valuable for reducing back strain and improving precision during fine work. It also comes equipped with a full accessory kit, including easy hold clamps, safety straps, and both large and small bench dogs, providing excellent clamping versatility for a wide range of projects. In terms of usability, the Pony bench is designed with portability in mind. Its collapsible frame folds flat, making it easy to stow in a car or workshop corner. Whether you're working on carpentry, repairs, or even as a mobile workstation, this bench provides a reliable base. The included clamps and adjustable design give it a level of professional utility that's hard to find in this price range. Overall, Pony Workmate Bench is a fantastic mid-tier option that blends performance with practicality.
The combination of strength, accessories, and mobility makes it a valuable tool for serious DIYers and semi-professional users who need flexibility without compromising on build quality. Number 4. Polar Aurora Workmate Bench. The Polar Aurora Workmate Bench brings a more refined and versatile approach to the traditional workbench, offering height adjustability, mobility, and even integrated power options. Measuring 60 inches long by 24 inches wide, this generously sized tabletop provides a stable surface for everything from heavy-duty shop projects to home office or craft tasks. Its standout feature is its adjustable height, which ranges from 29.7 inches to 39.4 inches, allowing users to customize it for their task at hand, be it on the garage floor, in the backyard, or at a job site. This height adjustability is especially valuable for reducing backstrain and improving precision during fine work. It also comes equipped with a full accessory kit, including easy hold clamps, safety straps, and both large and small bench dogs, providing excellent clamping versatility for a wide range of projects. In terms of usability, the Pony Bench is designed with portability in mind. Its collapsible frame folds flat, making it easy to stow in a car or workshop corner. Whether you're working on carpentry, repairs, or as a mobile workstation, this bench provides a reliable base. The included clamps and adjustable design give it a level of professional utility that's hard to find in this price range.
Number 5. BLACK+DECKER Workmate Bench. The BLACK+DECKER Workmate Bench is a time-tested classic that continues to offer excellent functionality and convenience for homeowners and hobbyists. Known for its multifunctional design, this workbench easily adapts to a wide variety of projects, from cutting and sanding to painting and clamping irregular-shaped materials. The key feature here is its convertible functionality. It acts as a vise, a sawhorse, and a workbench, all in one compact unit, giving users a flexible workspace without requiring multiple pieces of equipment. Built with a heavy-gauge steel frame, this bench supports up to 450 pounds, making it a sturdy choice for everything from wood to mechanical projects. The dual-height, foldable legs allow you to lower the bench for larger tasks or keep it upright for standard work. This versatility is one of the standout advantages of the Workmate. Portability is another major selling point. Weighing only 28 pounds, the bench collapses quickly and folds flat, making it ideal for users who need to transport it between job sites or store it in a garage, shed, or even hang it on a wall. Its open dimensions, 25.6 inches by 28.75 inches by 30.5 inches, make it a compact yet practical size that doesn't take up much space but still offers ample working area. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon